zInspector supports Google Calendar integration, allowing you to sync all your tasks to your Google Calendar. With the zInspector Task Manager, you can create tasks to schedule inspections or any other maintenance services. These tasks will include the property address information, the start date and time, as well as access instructions for the property or anything else you may need to go out to the property and do an inspection or maintenance. Then these tasks and all the information associated with them will sync to your Google Calendar, creating appointments. For this, we will need to enable the integration. First, we will need to be logged into our Google Calendar, which we have in our tab here. Then, on the zInspector website, we will go to Settings and Profile Settings. Here, we will scroll down to the left, and under Google Calendar Integration, we will click on Configure. At this time, we're prompted to give Google Calendar access to zInspector. So here we will need to click on Allow at the lower right. Under the Calendar integration, here we have the separate option to sync tasks to Google Calendar, which we will enable. Now that we have enabled that, we can go ahead and do an example to see how this works. So we will go to Tasks and click on New Task. Let's say that we want to create a move-in task. We will choose our property here. For task description, we can type in move-in. Under document group, we can set requirements for documents or inspections to be completed in the field. And for the to-do list, we can set a checklist of steps that the office needs to perform, such as scheduling inspectors. The key here is our start date and time. So this is what will actually create the appointment in the Google Calendar. Now we can click on Save and Return. So this is the task we created. As we said, the calendar appointment should have been created right now, including the property address information, the task description, as well as all the information you may put under Unit Access. Let's switch to our Calendar tab. So here is the appointment that got created automatically for our task with all the information we entered. If we click on this link, it will take us back to zInspector and open up the task for us. Here, if we click on the manager and choose, for example, another manager contact, that will move the appointment out from this person's calendar and into the calendar of the new manager we assigned for the task. Now, if we go back to Active Tasks, we can manage all our scheduled inspections from this view. Here, we can see who the inspections are assigned to, the start date, as well as whether they are connected to their calendar. For any questions, please email us at support@zInspector.com.